My name is Peter Swords-King. I'm a makeup and hair designer, and I've been involved in 40-odd films now. I never had any formal education in makeup. I actually learned by making mistakes, which I think is a really good way of doing it, because it always means you're using your eyes as just listening to someone telling you how to do something. I'm very lucky that all this has led to being nominated for awards. To date, I've had 28 nominations and 14 wins, including BAFTA, Oscar, Saturn Awards, Hollywood Guild Awards. It's fantastic, and I think that the really important thing now is standards, and especially now with the 4K coming on. You've got to be up for the game. I think 4K has changed our attitude to the whole thing about looking at television and film. When you're doing this work now, it is like working under a microscope. You've got to really look closely with your eyes and make sure that it looks okay to your eye. Now we have huge, 42, 60-inch monitors on set, so you can really see what you're doing. That's really important, especially with this 4K and working in high definition and everything. You have to actually be able to see it. You have to look at everything. It's as detailed as someone's lips, and there's a tiny little flake of skin just there or something where their lips are slightly dry. You have to go in and remove it. Because you also have to remember this stuff gets blown up onto a big screen, so a little tiny flake suddenly becomes about this big. The wonderful thing about working in this industry is really that you never know what projects you're going to be doing next. So one minute I'm doing Nanny McPhee, which was great, fun, children's film, doing lots of crazy things, making Emma Thompson look incredibly ugly. And then the next minute I'm doing something like The Lovely Bones, which is really sort of serious and a dangerous subject to work on. One of the most challenging aspects of working on 4K and high def was doing all the Hobbits. There was a lot of prosthetics in that. Half their face was their real face and half wasn't. And so we have to join it somewhere. Then all of them have beards, hair and wig lace and beard lace, and that was difficult. The whole point of our job is to, as far as makeup and hair is concerned, is to enhance the characters. And you shouldn't think about it. Who knows what the future's going to hold for us? I even get other makeup artists saying, they won't need us in 10 years. And I say, no way. Because it's the psychological aspect, not the physical what we do to them. It's them coming into who they are, sitting down in a chair, being made up, being transformed into whatever character they're playing, then going to costume, and then going on set.